Welcome. By now, you should have received an email from L.E.T containing a link to register on the L.E.T support site. Open the email and click on the provided link to start the registration process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your registration. Please make sure you use a correct and valid email address. This is very important for account recovery and future communication. Once the account has been created, it is always possible to add additional users if needed. After you have completed the registration, you will receive another email. This email contains a link that allows you to set your personal password. Please click on the link and follow the instructions to finalize your account setup. When you arrive on the webpage to configure your password, click on Login. Please note that logging in through the link provided in the email is a one-time login only. After setting your password, you will need to confirm your password and press Save to finalize the configuration. At the top of the screen, you will see a notification message confirming that the configuration has been successfully saved. Once you see this confirmation, you are ready to download the release. On the left side of the screen, you will find the Devices tab. Click on All Devices, and you will be guided to your device. This page is the passport of your unique device. Here, you can find valuable information such as updates, manuals, certifications, and more. For now, the Update section is the most important. Locate the update you need and download it. Once the update file has been downloaded, you are ready to update the system. If the device is connected to your Wi-Fi network, check the IP address shown on the device. Enter this IP address into your web browser to access the device interface. If the device is not connected to your network, use the device's AP mode instead. We will explain how to use AP mode later in this video. Log in to your device by using your login credentials you can find in the manual. Search in the tab for System Update and browse to the correct folder where the downloaded file is located. Press Open, and finally press the Upload File button. The system will begin uploading the file to the device and will automatically install the update. Please note that this process may take several minutes. Do not interrupt the update while it is in progress. Once the installation is complete, the web interface will prompt you to reboot the system. Click on Reboot to finalize the update process. After this, the system will restart automatically. Once the reboot is complete, the new update is installed and the system is ready for use. If not connected to a network, the Luminoscope can act as an access point. Connect your device that contains the update file to the Luminoscope's Wi-Fi. You'll find the Wi-Fi name and password by pressing the Wi-Fi icon. Once connected, click the button below the Wi-Fi icon to view the IP address, or simply scan the QR code with your connected mobile device. If you want to do it manually, fill in the IP address into the browser and repeat the previous explained steps. That's it. You are now ready to access valuable information from the support portal and update your Luminoscope to the latest version. Stay up to date and make the most of your system. For more tips, updates, and product information, visit our social media channels.